Yo. Oh, hey. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy. Right with it, man. Hey, we finna get into something real different, man. We finna get into a Queen Naija video, cooking with Cymone. But we finna get into that. All I know is, I just seen two badass females in the motherfucking thumbnail, man. But hey, we ain't gonna talk too much about Queen, you know what I'm saying? Cause Clarence, that's my nigga, you know what I'm saying? But Kennedy, DDG who, you know what I'm saying? We finna get right into it. I don't know what else need to be said, man. Stay to the end to see what I do at 100K. I gotta tell y'all something real special, so stay to the end. Okay. I don't even see Kennedy, and she already just behind Queen, just looking as good as she wanna look.
Oh, look at us.
Bro, look, just her faces. Just made me wanna.
Feels so good. And we're making salmon croquette.
Look at her face.
So
y'all see her face?
Yeah, I didn't even know I had stuff to make it. Yeah, you had everything.
Bruh, this shit smells so good. I ain't gonna put y'all on, but
coming and we making this.
She made me want to do anything.
Right. I told Kennedy that when I came back over.
Look at Queen having a hard time with this paper towel.
I better see her. But then I realized it's really up to me. I don't have to do
Queen do look pretty though.
She be busy, y'all.
No, I do. I'm in
Studio, working.
I'm in the studio. So we've been sitting here catching up.
God.
And then we got hungry and ordered pizza.
She know what she doing. Why are you doing that?
And she went her
I
cousin.
feel like I put too many. I put two.
Why are you doing that?
I think it's gonna be two.
Do you have
Kennedy?
No, just put extra
the crumbs. Yeah.
Fun fact, my first ever little thing was with this girl named Kennedy. I ain't gonna lie. It's kind of weird. Cause what was her last? Oh, Brooks. Her last name was Brooks, so never mind.
We're cutting up the onions and green peppers. And
I'm talking about like
making the mix.
Pre-K, kindergarten, first grade, second grade,
Yeah, I did a video too.
third grade.
And we got the rice.
Not so much third grade. Started being
Yeah, the
a
white.
little
You get the
hoe.
minute rice? Me too. I do too.
I always mess up the other kind.
And I put
I need a
yeah.
rice cooker.
Why do we even have that rice? What is the point?
Right.
That's the thing.
This is so simple.
It's two things I'm looking at on Kennedy. Her head
Look at that.
Okay.
and then the butt.
Yeah.
What is that on her
We've
head?
just been sitting here having girl talk and stuff like that.
No.
Oh, we about to
Right
get our
up.
nails done, y'all.
Yeah, we're about to get our nails done. So someone's about to come
Kennedy.
over.
So messy.
Kennedy,
It's Sunday.
get it
Maybe
together.
don't eat that stuff, do we?
He might.
Aw, he's tired. Now, I came over here and I got some action from Fendi.
You like a little
Kids, if you watching this, look away.
Go look on her story.
I got to see some things that, you know.
Oh, that must be
I
Kennedy
sometimes
house.
watch. No, I'm just
Cause
kidding.
she said she came over there.
I don't do that. I don't watch that. So no. I mean, I think everyone do. Do you?
Do you?
Do you?
Do you? I mean, where else would dogs get it from?
What?
Plot twist. We can add our onion.
Wait, what was they just
You
talking
want to add the
about?
onions and green peppers or just?
Kennedy be getting down, huh?
I just add them both.
Yeah,
It look like it's gonna be a lot.
Bruh,
I'm
comment if I should do a collab with Kennedy. I don't care. I'm a different reaction channel. This the latest reaction channel on earth.
And then
I can do whatever I want. Yes, I can collab with Kennedy. It'd be a blessing for her to collab with me. You know what I'm saying? That's just how I'm coming now. I've been a little too humble, bruh.
Yeah, that should be good.
there you go.
That's
I've been a little too humble,
We'll
bruh.
show y'all. I feel
like you don't know. He never did YouTube
She
before.
bad, man.
So
So
when we
get
get done,
done, we'll show
we'll
y'all.
show y'all whatever.
Yep.
The food.
I'm
Oh,
dead.
my hair is
They
grown.
really just flexed on all the niggas that don't know how to do YouTube. That be awkward on the camera.
Remember when
I ain't really awkward on the motherfucker no more. You know what I'm saying? Think I'm kind of breaking through that phase. Like I do whatever the fuck I want. You know what
And I
I'm
was
saying?
crying
I
in the
get
shower, like, because it
It
was
was just like coming out.
it was coming out in
What is
glides.
that?
But Kennedy, well,
Postpartum hair loss. And I'm so happy. I went and I cut my hair, and I'm so happy it's
Yeah,
going
it's
back.
really-
Because I had cut it like up here.
I want to live with her.
Then you're not gonna have no heat damage probably now.
Nope, because I barely straighten my hair. I don't do it straight.
That's good.
I like this little collab though. You know, they vogue well together. Look, and she just looked at me and did this.
I used to post every single day, or at least every week. Sometimes I go a month now without posting.
Me too.
I think it's just like YouTube is not our all anymore.
Yeah,
Like-
we have other things we could venture and do.
Yeah.
See, that's how I want to
Got her
be.
little makeup. And
Like
stuff
YouTube, I just
on.
want to just YouTube. Then I'm getting up, start doing different little stuff. But at the same time, I'ma still be on YouTube. Like it's nothing. I don't care.
Yeah. Not only is it hard work,
And then you
it's
got
a lot of time.
Yeah, it's consuming.
People think it's easy.
It's not easy. It ain't easy being greasy. It's like, no. Well, me and Kennedy are finally about to get our nails done. Well, she's getting hers worked on right now.
But see, that's what I want to know though. I know it take a long time editing because it do take me a little minute sometimes, like with certain videos. But it do take a long time. It do take a long time. But what do they be talking about though? Do they be talking about like the editing? Because the filming don't be too much because you can just film, and then the editing, as long as you're doing good with the filming, the editing, you could put everything, clean everything up with it. That's what I'm saying. It's just so much I need to know, bro.
Yes, sir. And I just
That's why I want to get around these folks so I can know.
Yes.
Like,
my nails done, y'all. Look
look,
at this.
that's another thing. Queen be editing on iMovie too, bro. I'm talking about she got 4.48 million subscribers editing on iMovie like it's nothing, bro.
Even though I don't be wearing Louis V like that,
me.
but I got a purse. You know
But don't get me wrong, her videos look great,
Sandals
like
for the
great.
summer. You want to be on camera?
But I'm saying it's like right in your face, something so simplistic.
Shout out your page.
Damn, she got some long ass nails.
Period JEFA Heffa. Yes. Nail Heffa in LA. Go see her.
Nail Heffa.
Now, Ken, are you still getting the same nails?
Yeah, they in LA.
Oh,
They definitely in her.
butterfly probably. Just
Just a Louis V. Yeah, y'all
I
know
just
I had
want-
to go butterfly.
I just want Kennedy to just look up at
So
me.
it's the
'cause I know
next
she
couple
will.
days. I didn't record yesterday, but today I am here at
Who is that?
my
Who the fuck is
doctor.
that? Hey, what's good, YouTube? Hey, Queen done slid through, man, and my baby Kennedy. Easy boy, Louis. I'm finna get up out of here. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment if you new. If you not new, but anyways, hit that bell. I'm finna get up out of here, man. Show me love, show me love, show me love, man. Stupid. Help me go viral, do all that. He's talking about I need to go get a job. I need to do this. I need to do that. Fuck y'all niggas, bro. I want this to be my job. Fuck, I want y'all at. Trying to help y'all out. And y'all want to be ungrateful and just look at my job a little bit. Or just a little bit. Like, I beat the... Just subscribe. Just subscribe. That's all I'm going to say. I'm going to be seeing you. Real quick, I'm skydiving at 100K. My hair going gold at 100K. Yeah.